The first time today, the electric starter actually worked. So that's good. Opo. Putang ina, para ako mamatay. Buti na lang yung wallet ko, nailagay ko dito sa may bag. Bro, ba't ang bagal mo din? Dapat illegal yung ganyan eh. Sumipakot ba bro ah? Wow. sa Dejun po.
Opo, ma'am.
Pwede pa po pumasok? Overnight?
Okay lang po sila.
Apo.
Dito muna tayo. Ang pwede siguro kung kayo mag-check-in.
Po?
Kung mag-check-in kayo sa, halimbawa, Iglo.
Saglit lang po, kuya. Pag-park muna po ako. Okay.
Ay dapat maka-check-in kayo.
Kaso hindi po ako nag-ano.
Kung mag-overnight kayo, saan ang ano nyo? Tanong natin doon sa ano.
2,000 isa po.
Ang 2 heads kasi yun.
Yun lang po talaga.
Lang po ang alam ko dito.
Tanong na lang po muna natin.
Ang ibig sabihin, mag-overnight lang kayo ng palipas magdamag.
Opo, sana.
Alalaman natin kung saan.
Sige po.
Kung pwede kayo dito muna.
Sige po, thank you. Ano ko po sana, yung mga activity talaga, ginabi lang po ako talaga kasi nag-ikot pa ako ng pagano.
Kaso, kung mag-check-in kayo, sumama kayo
Ano na yan?
mag-check-in sila eh.
Si asawa nila si Risa. Tawagan mo.
May activity din ba yung gusto niyo, ma'am?
Opo, yun po talaga yung dinayo ko kung ako lang po eh.
Ay, ka lang mag-isa.
Opo, magpapalipas lang po ng gabi. Tapos bukas ang ano.
Sige po.
Ha? Talaga po?
Oo.
Alo, ang pangit naman ang punta ko. Galing po akong Dasma, tapos bumaba po ako ng Alfonso tsaka Amadeo.
Martes na kayo makakapag-adventure.
Hala.
2 nights kayo rito.
Hala.
Kung gusto mo, ma'am, pwede. Pero kung...
Hindi kaya ng budget.
Hindi kaya ng budget.
Inikot ko po kasi ng
Normal rin talaga.
pababa.
Ano siya eh, na umiikot siya, papasyal, umiikot.
Walang facilitator.
Hala.
Yung dalawa nating facilitator dito, si Carlo at saka
Hindi kaya dalawa.
Hindi kaya dalawa?
Superman, kailangan dalawa-dalawa.
Oo.
Kaya may mga hindi nga nakatapos ng adventure kasi ang dami namin tao kanina. 181. Sama ka na kasama. Para mas masaya.
Wala po akong ka-drive sa amin. Ako lang talaga. May ganun po. Siya lang.
Ha?
July
6
5.
po. July 5.
Pero ang bestseller top si Lo. Okay.
Ito po. Oh my gosh.
Mga bags mo sa
Opo. Kailan kaya ako makakabalik? Hindi ko pala sure. Wow! Oh my gosh! Wow. Hala, wow! Thank you so much po. Pwede naman po tanggalin ko na lang. Hindi naman yan mababasa dyan. Hala, ang ganda. Thank you
okay na
po.
sa'yo, wala kang almusal ha? Ay, wala kang ano?
Opo, okay lang po.
Okay lang?
Kumain naman po ako. Sige po. Thank you po. Thank you so much po.
Ma'am,
Wow po.
ano? Pag lumabas ka,
Apo.
dalahin mo to, huwag mong iwan kasi malala ka dito.
Okay po.
Okay.
Thank you po. Wow! Wow! I am happy. I am happy. I am pleased. Okay. I want to explain what happened. This is a room worth 4,500 and I got it for, oh my gosh, and I got it for 1,500 with free breakfast because I went here Sunday and I was planning on doing the adventure stuff tomorrow because they have like 5 different adventure activities here and I was planning on doing it tomorrow. But tomorrow is Monday and I didn't know that their staff is off on Mondays. So that means I can't do the adventure stuff. I'd most probably stay here until lunch or something. Point being, what a room! And so I was talking to the older guy there, the grandpa there. I was like, I don't know the area, I don't know the roads. So yeah, I am using Google Maps, but also, bro, leave the freaking room. Sorry, Anyways, I told them I told them I'm from Dasmariñas. I drove down to Amadeo, to Alfonso, and then through Magallanes up here. And I'm probably gonna show like a map of what my driving looked like a while ago. And then that's why I took so long to get here. Okay. They have been wanting to give me the adventure package because it's really nice. Like, imagine 1,000 pesos for 5 adventures and only K barbecue. So like, it is definitely a steal. And I wanted to do that, but well, their staff is basically it's their day off on Mondays, and they're probably too tired to like accommodate me anymore because they were telling me that there were a lot of people today, like they were fully booked, and so of course they're all tired and stuff. I'm like, yeah, okay, it's fine. I mean, I don't really need much. I just need a place to stay because it's nighttime and it's dark and I don't know these roads and dangerous for me to like walk up, drive around. Okay, they gave me a towel. But needless to say, this is a really nice room. So I'm getting free breakfast and this room, just the hanging bridge tomorrow. Someone will accompany me, but I won't be able to do the other activities. Like there is an ATV, there is a zip line, just a lot of activities, and I wanted to do all of them, but you know, no time. So I'm most probably gonna do those like at some other time because I really, this is one of the places where it's like, okay, yeah, I'm trying to explore Cavite in general and like go to the other places. But I would definitely say that this is one of the places that I really, really, really wanted to go to and experience. So I am gonna come back. Oh my gosh, a bed. Finally. I'm gonna enjoy my sleep.